Here I will explain how to use Ubuntu 18.0 in Windows 10 using virtual machine. Basically, what is virtual machine? Virtual machine is a computer that runs in your computer. If you want to try Ubuntu without rebooting your computer, you can set up a virtual machine. We currently have Windows PC. I just want to open Ubuntu without touching, like without rebooting or without going to bootloader, without restarting your PC. So just want to open uh, Ubuntu and like this. This one leaves your current system untouched. Like we can like we are not modifying any Windows machine. Just we are installing virtual machine without modifying your current system and work parallelly with Ubuntu or any other Linux distros and your current system on Windows. These are the main used virtual machines. These are virtual box. Here virtual box we can download from here. Here you can download a virtual machine. Here you can download this one. It will download the required. If your machine is Windows host, you can download Windows related files. After downloading the exe file, you can just execute that file, exe file. I'm just cancelling. Why? Because I have already downloaded that exe file. No other is like VM player. VM player. VM player. You can download latest version VM player from here. Workstation. Windows Workstation. I'm cancelling this because I've already downloaded this VM player. Now I will tell you how to use that VM player. Here you can download the latest Ubuntu version. Here you can download the latest. And now just click the latest Ubuntu version. It will download automatically. I'm cancelling because I've already downloaded this. So I'll tell you how to install Ubuntu in virtual machine. This is a way open virtual machine. It's a open machine. If you want to like this create virtual machine, if you like to create Ubuntu machine, open virtual machine means somebody is already created virtual machine. So you can copy that VMDK file and you can open from here. This is a creative virtual machine. This is a typical recommended one, and you can give the where you downloaded that ISO file. From there you can give that this is ISO Ubuntu ISO from where we downloaded that ISO file, right? You can give that path and next and use an here you can give the path. Minimum like 30 GB will be like useful, like, and also give like at least 2 GB RAM, due to core processors for better performance. it will answer which virtual machine. It will install the required packages and configure it. It will configure the details. It will take some 15-20 minutes to configure the PC Ubuntu. This way you can use now it's Windows machine, and you can now launching Ubuntu. This way once you can see the whole application. This way you can close your Windows machine or another background power of the machine. So you can open a virtual machine. Here you can open we already did a created virtual box of Ubuntu, right? We can open that. Same file you can get it from others machines also. You can get it VMDX file, and you can use here in Windows PC also. So
Here you can see the what are all the connected devices, the mobile devices that can actually connect to USB and I can show here.